Marble Polishing Companies Cobham. Welcome to our introduction to marble polishing companies in Cobham. If you're seeking top-notch marble polishing services, call 01784 775 813 or visit our website at tilecleaningsurrey.co.uk. When searching for the finest marble polishing services, check out the company's reputation and track record. It's important to find a provider that offers cost-effective yet high-quality services. Check out costs, customer reviews, and examples of their work. Photos of their work and working practices are a good indication of their quality levels. Premier companies will give details of the steps they will take and the timescale for the work. Also, they will demonstrate how they are equipped to handle specialist projects like large commercial installations or listed, historical surfaces. Marble polishing is an art and a science. In Cobham, you have access to some of the best services available, whether for residential or commercial purposes. Remember to look for companies with the right qualifications, guarantees, and an eye for detail. If you need help with your marble surfaces, call 01784 775 813 or visit our website at tilecleaningsurrey.co.uk. We'll be happy to help.